ChannelAdvisor is a popular dropshipping software, but before you invest your time and money, here are 12 things you need to know. With so many options on the market, it's essential to understand how ChannelAdvisor stacks up against its competitors and whether it's the right choice for your business. First off, ChannelAdvisor is known for being one of the most robust and feature-rich platforms for dropshipping, but it's also one of the pricier options. Compared to other software like Shopify or Oberlo, it offers a wider range of integrations and support for selling on multiple marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. This makes it a solid choice if you plan to scale across several platforms. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. ChannelAdvisor has a steeper learning curve compared to simpler tools like Shopify. While it offers powerful automation and detailed analytics, beginners may find the interface a bit overwhelming. If you're new to dropshipping, you might spend some time getting familiar with the platform before seeing its full potential. The third thing to keep in mind is its pricing structure. ChannelAdvisor doesn't have a flat fee. Instead, it charges based on your sales volume and the number of channels you're selling on. This can quickly add up, especially if you're just starting out. Compared to fixed price options like Oberlo, it might not be the most budget-friendly for beginners. The fourth thing is its automation features. ChannelAdvisor shines here, offering sophisticated automation tools for inventory management, order processing, and even pricing adjustments. This makes it a great choice for businesses looking to streamline their operations and scale efficiently. The fifth thing you should know is its customer support. While ChannelAdvisor offers 24/7 support, some users have reported that their response times can be slow during peak hours. If you value quick customer support, this might be a drawback compared to competitors like Shopify, which offers extensive documentation and a large support community. Next, ChannelAdvisor excels when it comes to marketplace integrations. It supports over 100 online marketplaces and storefronts, which is far beyond what other dropshipping tools like Spocket or Oberlo offer. This makes it ideal if you plan on expanding to multiple sales channels. The seventh thing is its reporting and analytics capabilities. ChannelAdvisor provides detailed reports on everything from sales performance to inventory levels. This is particularly valuable for scaling your business, as it lets you identify trends and optimize your product listings for maximum profitability. The eighth thing to consider is that ChannelAdvisor doesn't have built-in product sourcing tools like Oberlo or Spocket. This means you'll need to source products from third-party suppliers or other platforms. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes product sourcing, this might be a downside. The ninth thing is its inventory management system. While ChannelAdvisor offers advanced inventory tracking and forecasting, it can be complex for smaller businesses. If you're not dealing with large volumes of stock, you may find the system a bit overkill for your needs. The 10th thing is the level of customization. ChannelAdvisor offers high levels of customization for your product listings and order fulfillment workflows. However, this level of control comes at a cost in terms of setup time and complexity. If you prefer a simpler, more hands-off experience, other software like Shopify may be a better fit. Next, the platform scalability is another huge advantage. ChannelAdvisor is designed to scale with your business, making it a great option for those who expect to grow quickly. Whether you're adding new products or expanding to new markets, the platform is built to handle high-volume operations. The 12th thing to note is the lack of a free trial. Unlike some of its competitors, ChannelAdvisor doesn't offer a free trial, which makes it harder to test out the platform before committing. This can be a deal breaker for many new dropshippers who want to try out the software before investing in it. All things considered, ChannelAdvisor is a great option for businesses looking for a comprehensive, scalable dropshipping solution with powerful automation and multi-channel integrations. However, if you're looking for something more beginner-friendly or budget-conscious, there are other tools that may suit your needs better. For those looking for an easier, more affordable solution, check out our recommended platform, which offers a free trial to help you get started.